Hi, today we're exploring Sunnyside, Surrey. So sunny. Welcome to Sunny Acres Urban Forest. As you can see, it is not quite as sunny as the name would suggest. So I don't know if this is a trick or something, but I guess we're gonna find out. Spooky, scary. Is there anyone behind me? Oh, let's see. Welcome to Sunnyside Playground. As you can see, it is very sunny today. Here's the baseball field, there's a playground, there's some children playing soccer, there's another playground behind that big tree and nestled in the fog. Here's a defunct swimming pool. I don't know, I think there's people who want to swim in the winter. I think they might be into that. And then over there, past the fog, maybe you can see there's a little, what is it, badminton, tennis, something's going on there.
Oh, I think I pointed it out.
Remember? You were like, wow, is it good?
Oh, I do. Wait,
Our seven course
oh
meal.
my god, Jocelyn. Mom, you can put your hand in it.
Primeiro vou dar um liso.
No.
Yeah.
Why are you making fun of me, bro? I don't think I got one.
This is garlic.
No? Yes. Yes.